Is it time to buy or sell Radiopharm Theranostics stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Radiopharm Theranostics. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 11th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Radiopharm Theranostics as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 5.72. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who adhere to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 27.81% since we initially identified Radiopharm Theranostics as a buy candidate 19 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.46% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the center of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, and further growth within this trend is indicated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 24.65% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 2.47% to positive 39.71%. Our latest daily update for Radiopharm Theranostics includes the headline: Volatile ride for Radiopharm Theranostics Limited stock price on Thursday, moving between $6.12 and $6.75. The Radiopharm Theranostics Limited stock price gained 7.76% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 11th of September, 2025, rising from $5.80 to $6.25. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 10.29%, reaching a day low of $6.12 and a day high of $6.75. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 10.82% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 19,000 more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 37,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $232,460. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $50.82. And the lowest price was $3.50. Currently, the price is 87.70% or $44.57, below the 52-week high of $50.82, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned a buy grade to RADX with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to Radiopharm Theranostics stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. Regarding return on investment, analysts similarly rate this stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Radiopharm Theranostics. The stock of Radiopharm Theranostics Limited presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is evident from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $5.76 and $5.30. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 2nd of September, 2025, and thus far, the stock has appreciated by 15.74%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Radiopharm Theranostics Limited has experienced increased trading volume, coinciding with the recent price rise, which is seen as a technical positive sign, as volume should ideally align with price movements. Enhanced liquidity also contributes to lowering overall risk. However, some negative signals have been identified, which may impact near-term developments. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal generated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term Moving Average indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term Moving Average indicated a buy signal 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 34 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 40 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 26 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Radiopharm Theranostics. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.65 and $5.35. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Radiopharm Theranostics Limited finds support just below today's level at $5.65. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $5.35 and $5.33. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. And with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 630 cents between its high and low, or 10.29%. During the last week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 12.10%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Radiopharm Theranostics, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we'll discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can encounter downturns, often due to factors outside their control. Nevertheless, consistently negative PE ratios may signal inadequate profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Radiopharm Theranostics. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Radiopharm Theranostics is at $6.67. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Radiopharm Theranostics encounters its first support level at $5.65. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.02, reflecting a decrease of 3.68%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 7 days ago. Is Radiopharm Theranostics stock a good buy? Radiopharm Theranostics Limited displays several positive signals and is currently within a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a solid choice at these current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded since the last evaluation, moving from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 12th of September, we expect Radiopharm Theranostics to open higher by approximately 12 cents and begin trading at $6.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.